And now a new wave is upon us: artificial intelligence. It'll be a tool that will augment us and make us smarter and more productive. We are at an inflection point in the history of humanity.
If you seek entertainment, this is not the place. If you are looking for false motivation, your time is wasted here. And I am saying there are no flashy edits in the video. The power is not in the motion, it is in the message. So I ask you to do one thing. Listen, truly listen to the words, because every word I am about to say is a single step on a path. If you miss a step, you will lose the way. The purpose of these words is not to entertain you, it is to grow you. What we do here is not for everyone. It requires patience. It requires work. I will not waste your time with bullshit, so if you choose to stay, it is because you know the benefit is yours alone.
Now, listen. There is a rhythm to human history, a pattern of quiet centuries punctuated by moments of fire. These are the moments that redraw the maps, the moments when the future is forged, and in their wake, they leave only two kinds of people: those who stepped into the fire and those who were consumed by it. In the 1400s, it was a revolution of ink and metal. Those who mastered the press were given the power to shape the mind of the world, while the old ways, and the people who clung to them, simply became footnotes in the story they wrote. Centuries passed, and the world settled, until the fire was lit again, this time not with ink, but with lightning trapped in silicon. In the 1970s, the few pioneers who saw a new world in these tiny pathways became the architects of our digital age. And then again, in the 1990s, it was a revolution of connection. Those who understood its invisible architecture, who saw the community in the code, built the platforms that now define our lives. At every turn, the story is the same. The winners were not always smarter. They were simply earlier. They chose to build an ark while everyone else was still debating the weather. And now, the rhythm has returned. The fire is lit once more. But you must understand, the nature of this fire is something the world has never seen. Where the old revolutions gave us years to adapt, this new one grants us only months, fueled by a ferocious, exponential power that doubles on itself before we can catch our breath. Nothing in human history has ever moved this fast. This isn't the next big thing. This is everything. Right now, developers who use these tools are finishing their work 55% faster. Right now, everyday workers are becoming augmented, their abilities amplified in ways that were science fiction only 2 years ago. And right now, 40% of the global workforce is standing on ground that is about to give way. Those who learn to wield these tools will be lifted up. Those who do not will be left behind. So the question is, how will you get into the race early? How will you master these tools before the world does? Not by chasing every new promise, not by skimming the surface. Here, we do it the way masters have always done it. We go deeper. We focus on the first principles. We will not just review 100 AI tools. We will take the essential few, the ones with true power, and we will break them down to their core. You will learn the art of prompt engineering, not as a trick, but as the language of this new world. You will understand the why behind the what, forging a deep intuition that no surface-level tutorial can ever provide. This is how you get ahead, not by running faster, but by thinking with more clarity and building with more skill. This is the pure information I promised. So this is visionary AI. We don't waste time here. We start, learn, and grow together. So it's up to you now. You either try winning the AI race or cry losing it. Peace.